All right, guys, what's up? Welcome to another episode of the vlog. We're on episode number 81, which means less than 10 episodes left before the season finale. Man, it's been like, this season has been my favorite season so far. I know it's still too early to tell, but I've had so much fun making this series, and I've grown a lot, man. Words cannot describe. Like, literally, I just advocate for being a creator so much, because once you do create, the world just opens up. It just opens up, man. It's like an invisible power. All you have to do is just create what it is that you love, and the world would just open up for you, man. I'm about to go on a world tour. Literally, I'm about to go on a world tour. So season 4 is going to be me world touring around the world, man. So like, I wish I had tangible words to say to tell you do this, do this, do that, but it doesn't work that way. But once you do start creating, you're just gonna see the immense power that the universe has to open to you, man. It just takes that creative energy. Just do it, man. Nothing, just do it. That's all I gotta say. Anyways, just finished wrapping up this class. Let me just take you through a quick little preview of, well, it's already over, so there's no more preview, but I'm gonna give you a quick little run through of what we did, so that if you are teaching boxing or looking to have new class ideas, you could just take it from this framework. I'm all about sharing and giving, so let me know if you have any questions, anything else. Hey, yo, what up? Golf Wad. Is it Golf Wad?
Golf class.
Golf class. Yo, my man here is revolutionizing how you move as a golfer. So, if you are an avid golfer, take this class. Saturdays at 11.
You got it. Come on over.
Come on over. But before taking his class, I'm gonna just give you a run through.
Take his class.
Oh, that's a perfect mix, man. Look at that. All right, so let me give you a quick little run through before, because he's gonna set up his class. But here's the combination number 1. We have 1-1-6-3-2. Then combination number 2, slip right, slip left, 3-2. All right, then we had wall ball, battle ropes, sandbag reverse lunge, burpees. Then we had 3-4 power punches and the mitts. So the 3-4 power punches was on this century bag right here. I've been trying to figure out how to incorporate this bag, because it is a martial arts bag and it just tips over a ton, but it makes a good hooking bag. So if you're working on power with your hooks, this is the bag for you, and I'm going to be implementing that in future classes as well. Anyways, enough rambling. Let's go about this day. Let's go.